today is World Intellectual Property Day, and the theme for this year, 2025, is IP and music. Feel the beats of IP.
It is an honor for us to be here today, and we're actually here to celebrate this day, and it means a lot for us to learn about IP, because it is about time for us and also as Black people to understand more about IP, the intellectual property, on how exactly we can protect our IP or protect our craft.
Hi, igama lami ngumsobisi Ndzaba. Ngiphume UK eMaritzburg sila emahhovisi sila for i-World IP Day. Display imisebenzi yethu department yase-CBA. Yeah, we appreciate the opportunity to display our work. Sure.
We license business rescue practitioners. Intellectual Property Day celebration was a day set aside in the year 2000 by the World Intellectual Property Organization in Geneva, Switzerland, as a day to celebrate human creativity and innovation.
So we're very grateful for this collaboration. We're hoping that it will go stronger and stronger and result into other good things, having forum among the institution of higher learning in KZN, pushing the innovation development among students and our researchers.
And we would like to take this opportunity and thank the organizers for this expensive, luxurious, and informative opportunity to exhibit.
Now this year the theme is on copyright, and in particular the theme is on music. That is why this year we decided we're going to call young artists from the university. We are going to call students who would like to go into music. But we said, let us not close it to music only.
EIP is about creating the original work. So you create. Once you have created, you must make sure you notify, you register. Lapha ku creation ungantshontshi ama ideas wabantu, create original, underline original.
It's a great day, it's amazing, and people are quite excited to be here. The words from us as a eThekwini municipality is really to say this is a very important initiative. We would like to continue supporting it, and hopefully it's going to come back and be here in Durban next year. We thank you so much.
We also want to protect the creatives. We also want to protect the inventors. We also want to protect the innovators, because you know there are a bunch of lazy people out there who never think, but still people's ideas had become overnight millionaires. So it is our duty as government to protect all those people who can think, okay, protect the ideas.
One of the things that we try to drive is to make sure that we grow the economy of the country. And how we do this is to try and increase and decrease the trade deficit, and also industrialize.
1, create. 2, notify or register. 3, monetize. 4, collect the money. 5, do perform, because that's where the money is at. Gabon.
So this is quite a fascinating times, and the networks we created today and the collaborations we created throughout these war engagements, they will really take us forward in terms of IP awareness, IP implementation, IP development, IP management, and also entrepreneurship in general. So I really acknowledge everybody, including friends and colleagues and all the team which put this whole thing together. Thank you so much.
Today we're here to celebrate the World Intellectual Property Day, and I think it has been a great experience because I got to learn a lot about different kinds of organizations and different companies and what they do. Thank you.
I was invited by MUT to come celebrate IP Day and music, where we focused on legal rights, because we believe it's important for artists to know their legal rights so that they can be empowered to be able to turn their crafts or their creative work into sustainable businesses.
And I think for me it was such an important event coming here, to having this happen here. You know, even if I'm coming from Gauteng, I made sure I was going to be here, because you know, when you're looking at IP is such an important thing. And as we're going digital, it's necessary that artists understand, it's necessary that we all understand the value of our identity, because that is what the IP is. It is your identity that you are sharing with the world. And all you are asking is that the world knows that it was you.